scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Cladogram questions get easy fast when you track which species are most genetically similar, then build the branches from closest relatives outward. Higher percent homology means two species have more similar nucleotide sequences, so they likely share a more recent common ancestor and should sit closer together on the cladogram. Next, find the pair with the highest homology in the table because that closest match should branch together first. Then compare the remaining species by decreasing similarity. From there, choose the diagram that keeps the closest pair together and places less similar species farther back, and that pattern matches option C. Well done! Option C. Scan now. Avoid rushing by guessing branch order from looks.